Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, and we're going to take a quick look at the GPRO chart. If you've been following along with the videos, you know that I've been liking it long all the way over here up against this trend line. And just to rehash about the trend lines, it's not often that you get a beautiful, beautiful trend line like this, but when you do, you better use it. So if you can see here, so many touches against this trend line on the way up, offered some really nice trades to get long off of. So when you see a trend line, you got to use it, okay? So as soon as it broke right here, we've been liking it short. That was a big break of this trend line, and it was on pretty big volume right here. So as you can see, expanding volume on the trend line break. And we got short here, made some profits over there on some shorts. But anyways, I'll move on to the current situation we have with GPRO. So we've got a downtrend line right here. See, beautiful. It started at the highs over here. Okay, and it keeps on getting rejected right there. See that angle? And it keeps on touching it, okay? And then it tried to break over, couldn't. Tried to gap over, couldn't. We've been scoring some nice profits off of some puts inside the room on these pops above this line. And I believe that these two gaps are going to get filled. So there's a gap. I don't have it circled, but there's a gap right here all the way down to, what is this, 50, the close of this candle, 52. So right above 52 and right at the support, we've got a gap to fill. So pretty big gap, and if you look at this volume on a GPRO, this volume is deceiving because when you have volume this big, you want a more solid candle. You want a bigger body on the candle. You want a more volume candle to be like this candle. See how the shadows on either side are a lot smaller and the body is a lot longer? Okay, that's what you want to see if there's a lot of volume. And then it would have broken over this trend line, and that would have been a good long signal, but it didn't. It formed a longer upper shadow here, and then it's followed by a dark cloud cover red candle right here. So and if you look at this green arrow, I had that drawn before both of these days. I was planning on getting short right there. I'm pretty sure I did a video on it. If not, whatever. But from here, we are liking it short to touch this 52 area against this support and for that gap fill right there. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. You can get a glimpse behind the curtain of the Trading Analyst member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time superior option and stock alerts with your free 15-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com.